If you are wondering if we have wired power sharing on iPhone 17, then the answer is yes. If you use USB-C cable, for example, you can connect to another Android in order to charge, as you can see over here. And also, you can charge iPhones as well, of course. Now, if your iPhone has USB-C port, then the iPhone that has less battery will be charged. So the iPhone with more battery will be used as the charger, essentially. And in case you have an iPhone with the Lightning cable, then in that case, of course, you need to, with the Lightning port, then you need to use a USB-C to Lightning cable. And it seems that you can only charge one way, so you can charge whether you have more battery or less. You can only charge the other device, not the other way around, with your iPhone 17, of course. But generally speaking, yes, we do have wired power sharing. We have a reverse wired charging on iPhone 17. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.